Hi class, it's Dr. Weideman. A short update on what we're going to be covering this week in our class. So let's talk about where we've been. So last week you studied continuous random variables. We learned about the uniform probability distribution and worked some problems with that type of distribution. And then we also learned about the standard normal probability distribution, the normal probability distribution, and also the central limit theorem. So this week we're going to learn about estimating parameters. And we're going to learn about point estimates, which is a single number that estimates a particular parameter of the population. And we're going to work with the population proportion and a population mean. And then we're going to expand our estimation to a confidence interval estimate, which gives us a range of values that we have a certain level of confidence that we've included or identified within that range the true population parameter, the estimate of the population parameter that we're trying to estimate. And we're going to learn about population proportions and also population means and how to calculate the confidence intervals for those. Your assignments for this week, you have 2 homework assignments, section 7.1 and 7.2, and you have a weekly quiz. And then there's a discussion this week, and it's called What Does the Survey Tell Us? So the instructions include a summary of a recent survey. Pew Research Center recently conducted a survey of 1,007 U.S. adults and found that 85% of those surveyed know what Twitter is. The instructions for a discussion include 4 questions about this survey, and you get to select 2 of the 4 to answer in your discussion posting. Where are we going? So this week, our confidence intervals and estimation of parameters with both point estimates and confidence intervals is going to lead us to learning about hypothesis testing next week, hypothesis testing terminology, hypothesis testing for a population proportion, and also hypothesis testing for a population mean. So we're getting very close to the end of the semester, so you want to make sure you keep up with the weekly work, make sure you do the homework, the weekly quiz, and also participate in the discussion. Feel free to contact me with any questions and have a great week. And also